Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on the video. You are most highly welcome. So today we are going to be making carrot, orange and lemon juice for detox and for beautiful skin. So if you want to know how I made this juice right here, please stay tuned, keep watching, and let's move on to the video. So these are all I need to make this juice. I have carrots there, I have lemon, ginger, and I have orange. So I'm going to be using turmeric also, but I'm going to be using the powdered one. So feel free to use the root one if you have it at home. So while I go on to peel off all this, these are already cleaned anyway. Let me quickly explain the benefits of all this to your skin. So carrots can be a miracle snack for anyone that is looking to improve their skin diet with some skin foods. Due to the beta carotene in it, which is converted to vitamin A inside the body. Do you know that a good amount of vitamin A in carrots can help in removing the toxins from the body, thereby bringing the skin to its normal glow? Yes, it is. And moving on to the next one, which is ginger. Gingers are strong antioxidants, which helps to prevent fine lines and wrinkles. And they also help to preserve skin collagens, thereby keeping your skin healthy and giving it its natural glow. And so oranges, I don't know about you guys, but I really love oranges and I love to have them once in a day or twice in a day. Yes, because they are really packed with antioxidants, which helps in anti-aging benefits. Oh really? Yes, because nobody wants to get old, you know that. They help to fight free radicals and helping to delay the appearance of wrinkles and premature aging. And because of the vitamin C in it also, I love oranges. So let me quickly say that this is how I love to peel my oranges whenever I'm making drinks or juice, okay? I love to take out both the inner white parts because I really don't like them into the taste or the flavor into the juice. I just want them to remain pure as they are, naturally and pure. And so lemons contain vitamin C, which helps to keep the skin even toned and also helps to boost the immune system. So these are very powerful fruits that are needed for our daily activities, for our daily lives. So I'm just going to cut them into smaller chunks. This is to aid the blending process. So I'm using a blender for this juice. You can choose to use a juice mixer, whichever one it works perfectly well. And I'm just going to add all of them into my blender, and I'm going to be using powdered turmeric like I said at the beginning. Turmerics are just natural antioxidants and antibacterials, which helps to give a spotless skin, help to treat acne, helps to banish dark circles and many more other natural benefits that they give. And after adding that, I'm going to go in with a little water. This is also to aid the blending process. And I'm going to blend very well till it is all smoothly blended. And so after blending, I went ahead to sieve out the juice. And so after sieving, I found out that it didn't give me exactly what I was looking for. So I went ahead to use my cheesecloth just to take out more of those juice out of it. So guys, like I said at the beginning, this juice can as well be used as a detox to detoxify your body and gives you that natural glow, keep your skin healthy and shining, and can also help to grow your hair. Look, is what you take in is what appears on your skin and helps to grow your hair as well. Okay, not only what you apply on your hair. Carrot is also very good for hair. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you all. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, you are most highly welcome. Please consider subscribing, and please remember to turn on the post notification so that whenever I upload new videos, you will get notified of them. Thank you everyone for always coming back. I truly appreciate you guys, and see you guys on my next one. Bye.